Hey there, Kim Wolf here with Affiliate Marketing and Employment. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel invideo. Now, nothing personal against invideo. It's actually a pretty decent software. We ended up signing up for invideo to review it as a possible Vidnami alternative. If you're interested in Vidnami alternatives and replacement options, then definitely check out the link on your screen right now. We've reviewed 11 different alternatives, and you'll see which 2 out of those 11 are our favorite. Okay, so in order to cancel invideo, you definitely want to make sure you cancel before your subscription date. For me personally, it's in 2 days from now. So I'm going to log in. Once I'm inside the platform, I'm going to come here to your profile. So it's a K for me because I haven't uploaded a picture. So your profile option here, come to subscription plan. And you're going to land on this page. So pretty simple right here. You're going to see the cancel subscription option here. You can see my billing date is in a couple of days from now. So I'm going to choose cancel subscription. Now you do have an option of actually taking a pause, and this is more common with software. Instead of completely canceling your account, just to give you a few months rest option, which prevents you from completely canceling your account. However, in our case, invideo did not stack up in our top 2 Vidnami alternative replacements. Therefore, I no longer need the service. So I'm going to come and choose cancel subscription, and it's going to ask me questions trying to figure out why I'm leaving. And they really don't want me to leave, so they continue to offer me different options. Hit cancel subscription. And there you have it. I have canceled my invideo subscription. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, click that notification bell to get notified when we post more helpful videos like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.